7 must-have cleaning equipment for every home. Do you know that cleaning can be fun with the right cleaning equipment? Here's a list of some must-have cleaning supplies for you to check out. Cleaning may not be your favorite of all chores. However, it can become much easier and stress-free when the right cleaning supplies are used. When people hear the right cleaning supplies, they often think of expensive equipment. No, you do not necessarily have to invest so much in supplies to consider them the right ones. The most affordable and common supplies can go a long way. In this video, we've put up a list of some essential cleaning equipment you absolutely cannot afford not to have. We will leave you with a bonus tip at the end, so stay glued. Number 1. Broom. Dust and dirt are usually the reason we clean in the first place. It's a no-brainer that they need to be swept out. Sweeping sounds relatively easy, but can become difficult if you're not using the right equipment. The most affordable and handy equipment for sweeping is a broom. Yes, you heard that right. A good broom makes it easy to get rid of dirt and leaves home clean. Number 2. Vacuum cleaner. If you find cleaning boring and extremely difficult, you might have to ask yourself if you have the right equipment. Yes, the equipment determines how hard or easy the experience will be for you. A vacuum cleaner is a must-have cleaning equipment for everyone who wants to save time and energy by removing dirt. It can get even the tiniest dirt from wherever it is hiding. Number 3. Extension dusting brush. A dusting brush is a small, but highly needed cleaning supply for every home. It helps to take out dust from furniture and rugs. Getting an extension brush instead of the regular dusting brush makes it much easier to remove dust from hard-to-reach places like ceilings and wardrobes. Number 4. Scrub brushes. Scrub brushes are essential for cleaning out hard areas. From bathtubs to shower heads and sinks, scrub brushes can help remove stubborn debris without sweating. Number 5. Glass cleaners. No one likes to see dirt in any area of their home. You want to get rid of them as soon as possible. But dirt stuck up in the glass is on a whole different level. It can be really disturbing and obstructive to the view. Here's the good news: glass cleaners are here for the job. With glass cleaners, you can get rid of dirt from door and window glasses easily. Number 6. Towels. Sounds obvious, but we must mention it. Towels are one of the essential cleaning equipment every home must have. They are very handy and can be used to wipe spills on surface areas quickly. White towels are usually preferable, so you can quickly know when it's dirty and ready to go into the laundry. That way, you don't add more dirt to the area rather than cleaning. Number 7. Mop. A mop is essential for cleaning the floor in different home areas and keeping them sparkling. It can be used on both hardwood floors and tiled floors. So no worries. Together with a good detergent and water, you can be sure of having a clean home at the end of every cleaning session. Finally, here is your bonus tip: sponges. You can look for multipurpose sponges with different ends for soft and challenging areas. They can be used to clean out dishes, kitchen appliances, and other areas. You can get multiple sponges to assign one to each job. In conclusion, having the right cleaning supplies and equipment is essential to ease your cleaning experience and keep you motivated. Our cleaning equipment list is quite affordable and easy to lay hands on. Plus, it's a great start for everyone who wants to enjoy the peace and serenity. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.